Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Huawei Watch Fit 3 and I bought this from Jarir Bookstore. If you buy from Jarir Bookstore, you will get free Huawei Buds SE2 and I bought this for around 580 Saudi Riyals. So that is, in my opinion, it is a great deal. So let me just unbox this. In this video I will be unboxing only the watch, and in the next video I will unbox Huawei FreeBuds SE2. So just first take a look at the box. As you can see, the specifications on the back, it comes with 1.82 inches AMOLED display, and you can listen to music as well via Bluetooth. It has built-in GPS as well, and they are claiming 10 days of battery life, which is amazing. Let me quickly remove the stickers from the back. And here is our first look at the watch. So I ordered this in black color. You can order this in white color as well, but I really like the black color. It looks very good. The white one you can get it in like silver crown, and it has also a red version, which I really don't like in my opinion. This one looks very good actually, the black one, as you can see. So let me just put that to the side, and let's see what else we have in the box. So here is our warranty card, I believe, and let me just see. So as you can see, and quick start guide, I believe. So we don't need that actually. I will show you how to pair this one with the iPhone. I'm going to actually pair it with my iPhone. And on the other side we get our charging cable, as you can see, our charging dock. That also looks very good actually. So now let's peel the plastic from the watch, and there is also a plastic on the back side on the sensors. It comes with heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensor. So let me just turn this on, and it comes with Harmony OS. So this is a very good operating system, and let me just select the language first to English. And now I'm going to pair it with iPhone. As you can see, I open the camera application, just scan it, and it will directly go to App Store and download this application, Huawei Health. After that, click on allow. So guys, actually you need a Huawei ID. If you don't have already one, you can create one. As you can see, I already have, so I will skip this process, and let's turn on all the notifications. Click on allow and add device. As you can see, Huawei Watch Fit 3, it's pairing now. So click on that tick mark and pair, allow. Now it's pairing. Just accept the terms and condition. So as you can see, it is paired now, and let's go to next. And as you can see guys, it looks really smooth. I'm really impressed by the smoothness of this watch, and the crown key also feels very good. It's very similar to Apple Watch, so you can change the watch faces and you can customize the watch faces as well. So here is another watch face, and the bezel size is okay. It's not that thin compared to other watches, but honestly guys, in this price range, this is the smoothest watch that I've used compared to all other clones and copies and other brands. Huawei nailed it actually. So as you can see, on the right hand side we have activity records, and you can change that as well by press and holding the screen. So looks very good actually, and if we click on this button, you can go directly into workouts. So let me just quickly show you the workout animation as well. So you can pair your Bluetooth headphones as well, so which is also very good. So these are the key features right now. I will do a full review in the next video, and I'm really liking so far, really liking the display of this, and that's how it looks on my wrist. Looks very good actually. And this black color, I'm really liking the black color. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this, guys. It comes with palm gesture as well, so, and always on display, which I will show you in the next video. So guys, let me know in the comments down below. I believe this is the best deal that you can get right now. And in the next video I will be unboxing Huawei FreeBuds SE2. So if you like this video, guys, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.